Numit nini gi khongchetta India gi President Droupadi Murmu ngasi numit yunga matung minute 35 chetpa duwaida Imphal gi Bir Dikandrajit International Airport ta thunglakre. Manipur da thokliba irang asigi chaitheng phanglaba shingi damak lengakna chapjana lepli. Manipur miyam tek takaidana thamnaba honaba haibasi lengaki khwaidagi maru oiba thongdangni haina President Droupadi Murmu na phongdokre. Ngasi President Droupadi Murmu na airport hek thunglabaga Manipur gi Governor Ajay Kumar Vala amadi lengaki makok thongbo official singna mahak putaram no okpaga loinana Manipur Police ki nupi personnel singna piba Guard of Honor yengsinki. Nungthil gi pung ahum rom taba duaidana mapal kangjibung da pangtokpa sagol kangjai gi exhibition match ama yengki. Masigi matung Palace compound da leiba City Convention Center da laktuna mahak putaram no okpagi thawram amada saruyaki. Thawram aduda President Droupadi Murmu na Stat asida paikhat kadaba lupa crore lishing amaga chamaga marifu romgi apunba project taramari urep uyung tambaga loinana lupa crore chaniga taret romgi apunba project tarani thoi sangaram ki. City Convention Center da pangthokhiba okpagi thawram aduda mahagna Manipur gi nupi shingda leiriba thona lingjel adu singtharaduna hai lamdam asigi thona pharabi nupi singna matam adugi loilam British lenga ki mayokta lepkhiba adu singthaningai ne makoi gi thona aduna loilam lenga ki sakti adu maithiba pikhibani hayeng pangthoka dauriba nupila gi thoram da saru yaba phangga dauriba sesu yamna laiba phaba mani lamdam asigi thona phabi nupi singi phidam masina India gi mipum khuding makta achauba inot ama piri haina mahagna thongdokhi hauzik lamdam asida thokliba irang asigi matang da palladuna mahagna makhata na hai irang asina miyam da piriba awa chaitheng ase munna khangi Ramasigi matangda lengang na lumna lauduna thabak paikhatli Government of India na irang asigi chaitheng phanglaba shingi damak lepli lenga kasina tongan ba kanglup phurup masel gi marakta hena nungsinaba amadi aphaba mari puraknaba hotnabaga loinana tangdu laitaba amadi ingtapa Manipur ama oihannaba lepli hainasu mahakna makhata ki City Convention Center da pangthokpa okpagi thoram adu loiraba matung IDP singa President Droupadi Murmu ga Lok Bhavan da unaduna wari sanaki President gi Manipur khongchan adugi manung channa hayeng Imphal gi Nupi Land Memorial Complex ta pangthoka dauriba Nupi Land gi thoram da saruk yabaga loinana laiwei khrabi lamdam asigi athobi nupi singi maphamda haika laika tamduna ikai khumnaba utkani tungda Sri Govindaji Temple da chatuna Govindaji khurumlaba matung Senapati District Headquarters da leiba Mini Secretariat Complex ta pangthokadaba thoram amada saruk yanaba Imphal thadokhigani hairi Senapati dagi halaklaba matung nungthilgi pung 3:95 rom tarakpa duaida Imphal thadokhigani panba yabadi haukiba February tang 19 dagi starasida thamlakiba President's role manungda India gi President Droupadi Murmu starasida lakba ase yamna magun leiba khongchet ama oiri amaromda kumjali singani kulhumdoi dagi thorakhiba irang asiga mari lainana Prime Minister Narendra Modi shu haukiba September 19 da Imphal da laglamkhibani
Ladies and gentlemen, namaskar, Kurum Joy. I am delighted to visit Manipur and participate in this reception organized by Manipur people. I am deeply touched by the warmth and affection with which I have been welcomed. Manipur is a land of resilience, courage, and extraordinary culture richness. Over generations, its people have enriched the nation by contributing immensely to diverse areas including sports, the armed forces, art and culture, and public service. Today, I am pleased to have inaugurated a number of important projects that will further improve the quality of life of the people of Manipur. These projects in diverse areas of tribal development, agriculture, infrastructure, electricity, drinking water, education, health and sports reflect our commitment to building a more modern and inclusive Manipur. The projects for which foundation laying has been done today cover a wide range of areas like infrastructure, handloom and handicrafts, tourism, electricity, drinking water, security and administration, health and sports. These sports projects will generate employment, improve infrastructure, and accelerate economic activity. They reflect government's commitment to inclusive development and empowerment of the people of Manipur. Over the past several years, many initiatives taken by the Government of India for connectivity, health, infrastructure, education, and rural development have brought tangible improvements to people's lives. I am aware of the pain that the people of Manipur have gone through following the unfortunate violence. I want to assure you that taking care of the concerns of the people of Manipur is highest priority for us. My government stands with every affected family. The Indian government remains fully committed to strengthening harmony, ensuring security, and supporting Manipur in its journey towards stability and prosperity. The government is also committed to promote equitable development across the state and will ensure that the fruits of development and progress reach each and every corner of the state. Manipur has shown remarkable improvement on several indicators of development. This has been made possible due to close cooperation between union and state governments, and most importantly by the hard work of the people of Manipur. Later today, I will be interacting with internally displaced persons here in Imphal. Manipur is the gateway to India's vibrant engagement with Southeast Asia. Its youth, culture, and natural beauty make it a state with unlimited potential. Manipur is also known for its self-empowerment and women empowerment. 2 days ago, I had the privilege of honoring 4 women from Manipur among winners from across the country in the National Handicrafts Award ceremony. The historic Nipulal of women's war were waged twice during the early decades of the 20th century by the brave women of Manipur. They succeeded in making the colonial and feudal powers to accept their fair demands. Tomorrow morning, I will have the good fortune of paying floral tributes to the great women at the Nupilal Memorial Complex. I salute those brave women warriors of Manipur. They inspire every Indian. The flame of national pride gets brighter, and Moirang, just a little distance away from here, where heroic soldiers of Azad Hind Fauj hoisted the Indian flag in 1944. In the honor of the brave hearts of Manipur, Mount Harit in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands has been named as Mount Manipur. We are assembled at the place throbbing with glorious chapters of our history. Ladies and gentlemen, nature has endowed Manipur with exceptional gifts. I have been told that Loktok Lake is the largest freshwater lake in the northeast. It has the only floating national park not just in India but on the entire planet. The valley and the hills of Manipur has unrivaled natural beauty. The interesting game of polo originates in Manipur. I watched a polo exhibition match earlier today. I was impressed to see the women of Manipur excelling in this sport, demanding highest level of speed, strength, and skills. Manipur is known for its excellence in various sports and games. The people of Manipur are talented and hardworking. I am sure that the people from the valley and the hills will remain together with renewed harmony and take the state to great heights of prosperity. and happiness. I urge the people of Manipur to continue supporting measures for harmony and development. Let us together strengthen Manipur as a state where every child feels safe, every woman feels empowered, every community feels included, and every citizen moves ahead towards a bright future. Thank you. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
We are deeply honored and grateful that you have taken time to be with us on this significant occasion, which reflects the close bond between the state and the highest office of our republic. In recent times, the state has faced unprecedented challenges, yet, even in moments of adversity, the people of Manipur have demonstrated remarkable resilience, patience, and unity, reaffirming their faith in democratic values and peaceful coexistence. I wish to assure you, Madam, that Government of Manipur is working tirelessly to restore complete peace and normalcy across the state. Our efforts are firmly focused on healing, reconciliation, and confidence building so that every citizen may live with dignity, security, and renewed hope for the future. During last 8 years, the state government, in collaboration with central government, has taken up several landmark projects in Manipur. These projects have improved the lives of people. Besides the flagship programs of Government of India like Manrega for livelihood, PMGSY for rural roads, PMJ, PM Kisan and PMKVY for farmers welfare, PM Awas for rural and urban housing, PM Divine and PM Abhim for healthcare, and Jal Jeevan Mission for water supply. The state has taken several other important projects too. These projects, some of these, state-funded health protection programs and pension scheme for weaker sections, completion of civil secretariat and police headquarters, women market infrastructure across hills and valleys, new Manipur Bhavan of Dwarka, Delhi, helicopter service to connect remote parts of the state, rural electrification, roads and highways connecting all parts of the state, new medical college at Churachandpur, 3 new nursing colleges at Thopal, Imphal and Churachandpur. Madam, today's event, wherein Honorable President is inaugurating and laying the foundation stones for several important development projects, marks a significant milestone in our collective journey towards progress. These initiatives symbolize the unwavering commitment of both the central and state governments to usher in transformative infrastructure, improved connectivity, and enhanced public services, thereby improving the quality of life of our people. The path of Manipur's prosperity lies in sustained peace and inclusive development. I am confident that with the continued guidance and support of the Government of India and with the cooperation and goodwill of our people, Manipur will overcome all challenges and move steadily towards a future defined by growth, harmony, and opportunity for all. Once again, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable President of India for gracing this august gathering with her esteemed presence. I also convey my warm greetings and welcome to all distinguished dignitaries and invitees present here today. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.